So today we've been talking about learning by correcting mistakes. We started off by revisiting explanation-based learning and incremental concept learning. In those lessons, we were dealing with a small number of examples coming in one by one. We dealt with the same thing here, but here we had the additional feedback about whether or not our initial conclusion was right or wrong. We then talked about isolating mistakes. This was similar to our problem of diagnosis. Given a mistake, how do we narrow down our reasoning to find exactly where that mistake occurred? Then we talked about explaining the mistake. This is key both to building human-like agents and to enabling the agent to correct its mistake. Only by explaining the mistake can the agent correct it efficiently. And after those phases, correction becomes a much more straightforward task. Next time we'll talk about meta-reasoning in more detail. For example, here we've discussed mistakes in knowledge, but what about mistakes in reasoning? What about mistakes in architecture? What about gaps instead of mistakes, where we don't know something instead of knowing something incorrectly? We'll talk about all that next time.